How to log in TikTok account. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. If you have logged out of your TikTok account and need to log back in, then you are in the right place. In today's video, I will guide you through the simple process of logging into your TikTok account. Let's get started. Open TikTok on your device. You will land on its official homepage. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. You will be directed to the official login or sign up page of TikTok. There are multiple ways to log into TikTok. You can use your phone, email, username, or continue with Facebook and Google accounts. Based on your preference or the method you used previously to sign up on TikTok, select that method. For this tutorial, we will use the first method. I am not willing to use my phone number to log in, so I will switch to email or username section from the top. Enter username associated with your TikTok account. Once entered, tap on continue. Now enter your password. I have copied it, so I will simply paste it over here. Once your credentials are entered, tap on login. Confirm the CAPTCHA by selecting two objects with the same shape. And boom, you have successfully logged into your TikTok account. That concludes today's tutorial. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.